Everyone, once again you all welcome back. Children, today I am going to teach you the moral science subject, and this is my first video of this week. And in this video children, already I have started the new chapter 7. Yes, lesson 7, and the name of the chapter forgiveness. Yes children, this chapter already I have started and I have explained this story very nicely. But once again today at a glance I would like to recall you this chapter, and with hope you all will watch this video, try to understand, because in this video only you are going to read you are not going to know about this story children, you are also going to learn the question answer. Okay, so you all will listen very carefully till end. So let us start. Once again, something I would like to tell you about the forgive. First, forgive, it means forgive is here, it means forgiveness is, yes, forgiveness, it means to forgive means not to see the mistake of others and to show love and kindness to one another's. We all make mistake, yes children, you also make a mistake, sometimes we also make mistake, but often we feel sorry about them, but when we speak sorry we should forgive them. How nice we would feel if we at such time our friends forgive our mistake. Likewise, same wise children, when others make mistake, by forgiving them, so we make them feel happy and loved and hopeful. Okay, so we should always be ready to forgive each other mistakes. So in this story, what will you see? The name of the story is here the Archana's doll. Yes, the name of the story is here Archana's doll. It means the doll of Archana's. Yes, in this story you will see one doll. Its name is Pretty, and here is two friends. There is two friends named Archana and Ruchi. They are very good friends. They play together always. One day, Archana's mother brought a doll for Archana. She felt very happy, and she said uh, to her mother, Mama, I want to go my friend. So she went to Ruchi's house with her doll, and she shows, see my dear friend, see Ruchi, I have a beautiful doll, and I am calling it Pretty. Its name is Pretty. And she said, you don't have such a beautiful doll. Say Ruchi totally, she felt very jealous, and Ruchi directly she snatched the doll. Yes, she snatched the doll and pulled out its leg and arm. Okay, so then after Ruchi says, now you say, ha ha, your pretty doll is now ugly. Now you say, where is your doll? So Archana totally annoyed, and she said, and she started to crying also, I will never talk you again. Yes, because we have done very wrong, so again I will never talk you. Then after at home again she returned home, and she said to her mother, Mama, Ruchi has broken my doll. She told Archana's mother said. Archana picked up the piece of the doll and went home crying. Yes, she has started to cry, and she went the on house. Ruchi's mother said, Ruchi must be upset. Yes, must be sad. She does not have a doll like yours. She doesn't have a doll, and you think you should forgive her. You should don't think about anything, you don't about think about this, you should forgive her. But again Archana said, no, I am not going to forgive her. But again she said, no, again I am not going to forgive her. But soon Archana started thinking, but soon she started thinking about the Ruchi, and she think about that Ruchi must be sad. She doesn't have a doll like mine. If I were Ruchi, I too would be feeling jealous. Yes, if same thing, if I don't have doll and Ruchi have, then I can also feel jealous. So I too would be feeling jealous, so I should forgive her. At last she think, so she hasn't doll, so she feels jealous, and in the place of Ruchi, if I will be there, same thing I have to do. Okay, so she felt very sorry, and she thought first I should forgive her. If she has done this type of things, I should forgive her. So at last she again she went to Ruchi's house, and first she said to her mother, Mama, today and now may I take my doll to Ruchi to play with her. Again she decided to she will play with her. Her mother said, yeah, of course you can go, but not only you can take only doll, you can also take some cookies for her. Okay, Archana went Ruchi's house. Now again she said, hello Ruchi, I have come to play with you. Then Archana said, again I have come with you. Okay, and then after she felt Ruchi, they played together. Now again they started played together and had cookies. Archana, there is something. Then she realized her mistake and she said, Archana, I want to say something. She said, if I have done any mistake, please forgive me. So Archana said, oh, that's forgiven you. Yes, I have forgiven you, not need to speak again and again sorry. So at last she said, she has that we all have understood, you all also understood, if someone is doing mistake, you should always be ready for forgive others mistake. When you forgive others mistake, you feel very happy and hopeful. Okay children, now so some in this chapter some hard words were there. I have said to you all will underline, and also you with hope you all have underlined. Once again I am just speaking the hard words of the chapter, like forgive, mistake, kindness, another, hopeful, Archana, Ruchi, bowed, calling, pretty, beautiful, snatched, ugly, picked, pieces, mine, jealous, cookies, breaking. So these are the hard words of the chapter 7. Now after that children, I have said to you all will learn the word meaning. Once again at a glance I would like to revise the word meaning. Like forgive, it means pardon, mistake, fault, beautiful, pretty, snatch, to make something quickly, upset, sad, jealous, envy, hopeful, full of promise, ugly, not attractive, picked, choose or select, kindness, the quality of being kind, it means kindness. So now after children, after that today you all are going to do the question answer of this chapter. Okay, so let us start, and you all have to write the answer in one word. You all will give the answer in one word. Like first question is here, who told Archana to forgive Ruchi? Yes, mother. Who told Archana to forgive Ruchi? Mother said to Archana. So what will be the correct answer? Mother. Mother. Mother said. Okay, so only one word you have to write here, mother. Now after that, second number is here. What did mother give Archana for Ruchi? Yes, what did mother give? Not only she said you can go and you can play, she also said you just take some cookies for Ruchi. So what did mother give Archana for Ruchi? You will say cookies. Spelling of cookies, COOKIES, cookies. Now after that, third number, how do we feel when we forgive others? Yes children, how do we feel? We feel very happy. So how do we feel when we forgive others? So what you will say? You will say happy, 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 happy. Now after that, third number is here. Fourth after that, what was the name of Archana's doll? In the first I have told this story children. Yes, what was the name of Archana's doll? You will say the Archana's doll name was Pretty, 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 pretty. Now who was sorry for breaking the doll? Yes, at last Ruchi realized I have done mistakes. So at last she said sorry for breaking her doll. So who was sorry for breaking the doll? You will say Ruchi, 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 say. Okay, now after that, who snatched the doll? Who snatched the doll? What will you say? Yes, Ruchi snatched the doll because she felt very jealous because Archana said, you can see I have pretty doll, its name is Pretty, and you don't have doll, but I have doll. So she feels very jealous, and so she snatched the doll. Okay, she snatched the doll. Snatch, it means to take something very quickly. She snatched her doll. Okay, so in this story you all have seen children what is the question answer. The answer in one word. You all will write the answer in one word. Okay, till question number 1 to 6. Like who snatched the doll? You will say Ruchi. Or after that, then who was sorry for breaking the doll? You will say Ruchi. What was the name of the Archana's doll? You will speak pretty. How do we feel when we forgive others? We feel happy. So you will write here happy, H-A-P-P-Y, happy. Now after that, what did mother give Archana's for Ruchi? You will say cookies. Now, who told Archana's to forgive Ruchi? And here should be the spelling of Ruchi, R-U-C-H-I. R-U-C-H-I, Ruchi. Okay, R-U-C-H-I, Ruchi. So what will you say? Mother. So these are the question answer of chapter 7, and chapter 7 answer in one word. Now children, after that today you all are going to do the complete one quotation, and quotation number is here. Quotation number is here 4. Okay, so let us start. You all will speak with me. We all just speak. Suffering do not come. C-O-M-E, come. Suffering do not come to us by chance. To us by chance. Spelling of chance, C-H-A-N-C-E, chance. They are sent by God. Yes, suffering do not come to us by chance. They are sent by God. Suffering do not come to us by chance. Everything is sent by the God. Okay, so you all have to write here come and chance. C-O-M-E, come. C-H-A-N-C-E, chance. So children, today's work, first you all will read this chapter very nicely, and hard words and their word meaning also you will try to learn. At last, after that, in your copy today you all will write the question in answer in one word till question number 1, question from 1 to 7, and then after you will complete one quotation. Suffering do not come to us by chance, they are sent by God. So children, I hope you all have understood this video very nicely. So today at last I would like to say you thank you and have a good day, and thank you for also watching my video.